Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to explain to you what Taskade is and what features they offer and how you can benefit from it. Ladies and gentlemen, Taskade is an AI-powered productivity platform that combines task management, note-taking, real-time collaboration, and workflow automation all in one unified workspace, right? It is designed for teams as well as individuals, and it helps streamline project planning, communication, and execution without juggling multiple apps. It's ideal for remote work, remote teams, startups, creative professionals, anyone that is seeking a flexible, intelligent workspace that can adapt to how you actually work best. Let's have a look a little bit more. Some of their key features include their multi-project view. So this means you can see everything in different views such as lists, boards, mind maps, and you can switch between one or the other. Also, it gives you real-time collaboration. So if you are working in a team, even a remote team, they have live editing, chats, video calls, tasks, assignments, and it's, again, all in one space. They also have customizable templates, hundreds of customizable templates, which means you can basically just customize those templates to make them your own. Also, they have powerful integrations. So if you are using any third-party apps, you can integrate them directly in one space, so you don't have to jump from one space to another. And lastly, over here, their unique AI workspace. So they have AI agents that are custom trained digital teammates that learn your workspace. They automate repetitive tasks, and they provide intelligent insights using GPT-4, Claude, and other advanced models. They also have a bunch of smart automations. So these are event-driven workflows that connect more than 100 apps, enabling instant reactions like lead qualifications, alerts, and everything else. Also, their projects act as living databases with flexible data structures and 8 dynamic views, turning your workspace into an intelligent, interconnected system that grows with you.